In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom on Windows 10. Whether you want to enlarge something on your screen for better visibility or zoom out to get a broader view, Windows 10 offers several easy methods to adjust the zoom level. Let's explore each of these methods step by step, ensuring you can choose the one that best suits your needs. First off, you can zoom in and out using keyboard shortcuts, mouse wheel actions, or the built-in magnifier tool. Let's start with keyboard shortcuts. A quick and straightforward way to zoom in on any Windows 10 screen is to hold down the Control key and press the plus key, also known as the plus key. This action will enlarge your current view, making icons and text larger for easy readability. Conversely, if you wish to zoom out, hold the Control key and press the minus key, which is the Again key. These shortcuts are great for quick adjustments while working in applications, browsing the web, or even navigating your desktop. If you ever need to reset your zoom level back to the default, just hold down Ctrl and press 0 on your keyboard. It's a handy trick to remember. Next, another method involves using your mouse wheel. This is a favourite for many due to its speed and ease. To zoom in, hold down the Ctrl button on your keyboard and scroll your mouse wheel forward. This movement will increment the zoom level upward. To zoom out, keep the Ctrl key pressed and scroll the mouse wheel backward. It's a very intuitive method and perfect if you prefer using the mouse over the keyboard for navigation. Finally, let's talk about the magnifier tool, a built-in feature in Windows 10 designed to help you zoom in on specific sections of your screen. To activate the magnifier, press the Windows key along with the plus key. This will open the magnifier window from where you can click the plus button to zoom in further, or the button to zoom out. What's great about the magnifier is that it allows for fine-tuned control over zoom levels, and you can keep it open while working across different programs. When you're done using the magnifier, you can easily close it by clicking the X button in its window. I hope you found these zooming techniques helpful. Knowing how to zoom effectively can greatly enhance your efficiency and comfort while using your computer. Give each method a try to see which one feels most natural for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Windows 10 tips and tricks.